Hello everyone and welcome to Pro Blog Shop. My name is Scott Turner, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about how to customize your main landing page. Now for those of you who are unsure what your main landing page is, by default your home page is the main landing page. From your administration area you'll go under Appearance, and then this one is Lifestyle Theme Options, but basically it's just going to have the name of the theme and then it says Theme Options. So it might be Allure Theme Options, News Theme Options, whatever the name of your theme is. All of them will take you to the Options page, and again, depending on your theme, you'll have different variations of this, but all of them will have sections that correspond to the column layout of your theme. In this example, this is the Lifestyle Theme Options example, we have a featured top left, a featured top right, and a featured bottom. You can see that we have a featured top left, featured top right, and featured bottom. To give another example, in the magazine theme, we have homepage tabber, we have homepage main, homepage top left, and homepage right. We can see here that here's our tabber, and then homepage main, homepage left, and homepage right. So you can see that your settings will correspond with the front side of your themes. Now to set the category, it's real simple. Just select from the drop down box. You'll tell it how far back to go, and then you'll tell it how big you want that thumbnail to be for each of those, and you'll click the Save Settings option. And that is all there is to the first part of setting up your landing page. To recap, to tell your theme what categories to display in each column, you'll go to your Appearance, Theme Options, and then find the sections that correspond to the layout, and then just select the category, tell it how far to go back, and give the dimensions. So now what we need to do, that we've told the theme what content display is, how to control this description, and then how to assign it the thumbnail. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, from your administration area, let's go ahead and create a new post. Go to Post, Add New. It brings up the new posting interface here. I have a post called Top Date Nights, and I have some dummy text I can stick in there to help us out. And this needs to be categorized under Relationships, so that when I post it, it's going to display right here under Relationships. And that is all we need basically for your basic blog post. But before we publish this, we want to give it a description and the thumbnail. So let's start with the description. To give it the description, you'll notice the excerpt field. If you'll just scroll down, it's beneath your editor. If you don't see it, you might want to try under Screen Options and make sure that it's clicked here. But the excerpt is what gives a description. So this is where you would type in the custom description that displays next to each of these thumbnails. Okay? Simple. So now what we need to do is just get the thumbnail in there. So we need a picture first of all. Let's go ahead and ask Google for a picture here. And we're doing date nights, so I'll go ahead and type that in. Date night. We'll go to Images. And we'll pick out this one here. See full image. We'll right click and save image as. And now we can go back over to our post, click the insert image. We'll upload this to our image, send it to the server, and now here is our picture. But what we're concerned with specifically is this URL right here. This URL is where this picture is now at on your server. And you're going to need that whole thing. So click Control A, Control C, that copies that URL. just for completeness, I'm going to go ahead and insert this into the post. I'll make it a little bit smaller, align it left, give it some spacing. Oh my gosh, Scott. There we go. And now we need to associate that image with this blog post. We do that by going down to the custom fields section and go ahead and paste in that entire URL that it gave you up here that you just did. Get that URL, and then you'll see http://yourwebsite.com or .net, .biz, .us, whatever it is. You're going to highlight all of that right up into the / and delete it. So your value should be http://yourwebsite.com. Take that out and just up to the /, and that's the value that you need to put in here. Okay, and then for the name, you'll give it the thumb, THUMB, short for thumbnail. If you don't have this in there, just click Enter New, type in thumb, and then add it, and it will be in this drop-down box from there on out. So let's go ahead and publish this, and you will see when I refresh my screen here that I have my description and my thumbnail. So to recap, you know what, to recap, let's just go ahead and edit something else. Okay, we'll do this one under fitness, do massages help with muscle recovery. So let's go to our post listing, and here's that post. So we'll go ahead and edit that, and this doesn't have a description yet, so we can go to the excerpt field to give it a description. Massages greatly help with muscle recovery. Okay, there's my description that I'm going to give it. And then I want to add my description. So I actually already have a picture here. So what I can do is go to edit that picture. I have my URL. I'm going to select all of that. And then down in my custom fields, I'm going to paste it, highlight the http mysite.com and delete it, so I have just the /, and then I'm going to assign it the thumbnail, and I'm going to hit Add Custom Field. Now this article image one that you see here, that's actually for the featured content gallery, which if you've seen that tutorial you would recognize this, but these are completely separate now, so I want you to keep that in mind. So now when we come back over to here, you will see that although it didn't pull in the description. Oh, I know why. This is a good thing to know, so I'm glad this happened here. With the custom fields, you see that you have update buttons, delete, and add. So these are actually kind of independent of this whole form. If I wanted to update this excerpt, I need to make sure that I hit the update under the entire form. Okay, so now when I go back over there, I'll hit refresh. It's actually updated the post, so you'll see I have my custom description and my thumbnail. So to reiterate one more time, just make sure everybody's clear. The excerpt does a description, and the thumb custom field defines the thumbnail. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section below. Feel free to email me with any questions or concerns you have, and I'll do my best to get back to them. If you have not signed up for our updates, be sure to do that. And thank you for your time. We'll talk to you later. Bye.